Hi, I'm Marie Stubbs. Welcome to my channel, Fit for 80. Clues in the t-shirt. I'm soon going to be 80, so I'm trying to do my best to keep fit and be able to wear the clothes that I want to wear. So good for the health and good for the ego. I hope you find this interesting, and you can actually start these sort of things at any age. You don't have to be 80 to start and do them. So if you like what I'm doing or you find it interesting or helpful, would you subscribe or follow or like? Here I go. Exercises today are for the chest and the arms. I also find they're helpful for my shoulders. So there are 4 exercises, and before I start them I've had a bit of a warm up, which is a good idea just for a few minutes. Then I do 8 reps of the chest press. I'm going to do 10 squats, 10 curls for my arms, and 10 front raises. So here I go. I'm going to do my first one, which is the chest press, and that's 8 reps using the green and black straps. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now normally I would take a break after my first exercise, and I do it after each exercise. Just a little rest, maybe a minute, 2 minutes, something like that, depending on how I feel, and then I'd go on to my next exercise. But because I'm filming it to hopefully help you, then I'm not going to do that, but that's quite important. Have a little break, drink of water, and rest. Here I go with the next one, which is 10 squats. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And onto my bicep curls. 8 of these for my arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. Now I'm going to use these for my front raises. I think I might just have a quick drink of water actually. Always a good idea, a little sip. Right, here we go. 8 front raises, good for the arms as well, I think anyway. And helpful for my shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's those done. Just a little word to everybody. I wasn't very good at gym when I was at school. I wasn't very active till I got quite old. So don't be put off. Most people can do something. So hope you enjoyed watching my Marie Stubbs Fit for 80 channel. Good luck with what you're trying to do, and I hope, as I said at the beginning, you'll subscribe, follow or like, and bye for now, Marie.